Hello all. So I hope you are doing good, guys. So you all are welcome to our session today's sessions. In this today's session, we are going to discuss about how we are going to install the Linux, how we can install the Linux in our Windows machine. Okay, so we are going to install here one flavor, CentOS. I'll take here, and you can take any other flavor ISO image. Okay, it doesn't matter. So we'll see, and this procedure will be for all Linux flavor part. It will be same only. Okay, so only you need to download the ISO image and you need to place that ISO image in a proper field. That's it only. Okay, so without delay, let's show you whatever the steps we are going to follow here. These are the steps. The first steps, you need to download the ISO image of any flavor, any Linux flavor you are going to download. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I'll be take here as our CentOS Linux ISO image, and after this I'll tell you how you are going to install the Oracle VMbox. And uh, and we will take the example of two here, like Oracle VMbox 6, and we'll take the 7 also. And here, after installing that application, we are going to create the virtual machines, because in that virtual machine we are going to run our Linux ISO image. Then we need to assign the memories, like your RAM part. So mostly I'll take here as 1 GB of RAM, like within 2 GB just take. Okay, it will be good at all for that. So after this I'll create the virtual hard disk. So then we have to specify the size, like I'll take here as 26, because I'll be installed server with GUI mode. Okay, so I'll take the hard disk size is around 26 GBs. So after that you need to attach the Linux ISO image. Then we will start the installation process. Okay, let's see it now.
First, you will go to the Chrome. Just go to the Chrome and search for the Oracle. It's taking time, guys. So search here, Oracle VMbox. And just hit enter. So the first one you need to suggest here. So after click on that, you need to click on the downloads. Then you are going to download that virtual machines, virtual box for the for what machines, like you are going to use that Linux in your Windows or Mac OS or Linux, any distributions. Okay, so I'm having my Windows operating system, so in that I want to use. So I clicked on it, so automatically the Oracle application is going to download here. See, the virtual box is going to download. So it is what your latest version 7.0.18. So this version we are going to use here. So once the download part is done, you need to double click on it, then the application will be installed. So after installing, what we will do, let's show you that. Okay, okay, my virtual box got downloaded. Let me double click on it. Okay, now it is asking for the permissions. Let's give the access. Yes. Okay, so Oracle 7 is not going to support. So what you will do in that time, just try to install VirtualBox 6, because 6 was very easily will be installed. So it is what old one. Try to install this one, because if you are going to install the 7 version, sometimes you have to use the some dependencies package. But in this part, there is no required the dependencies package. Let me install this 6.1. We are installing. Okay, so it got done. Let me click on it. Like most of laptops, they can easily install the 7.1. But if you are getting any issue, so try to install the older versions. Okay, so see guys, when I install it, so let's see, is it giving me any errors or not. See, I got the interface now. So simply you need to click on next, next, next. Then it will automatically install the things. The setup is very easy, guys. Very easy. And if you are unable to set up this, like you are unable to install the virtual box in your laptop, so just ping me on the comment section so that we will make another video about the BIOS part as well. Let's wait for it. Okay, so you can see the application got installed here. So I got this. So after this, you need to create an virtual machines. So with the help of this hypervisor tool, you are going to create what? A virtual machine. So after creation of the virtual machine, you need to download the ISO image. Means with the help of that, you are going to install the any Linux flavor in your laptop or desktop. Okay, so let's see that. See guys, I got the interface. So I'm just skipping this from for this time.
Okay, so as you can see, we installed the VirtualBox here, the hypervisor tool. So after this, what we can do, let me open it once. It's taking time. Okay, so simply what you need to do, you just need to click on new because we are creating a new virtual machines here. So that virtual machine name I'm giving as CentOS. So any name you can give guys. So when you are selecting the any name there, CentOS or RHEL, so by default it will be take as a Red Hat Linux. Okay, so after this, it is suggesting you like 64 bits. So and the memory size, how much you need to give. So minimum is if you are giving 1 GB, it is fine. And just click on create. Okay, so see guys, it is taking my C drive locations, right? It's taking my C drive location. If you want to change the locations, you also can. I just want to give D drive here because C drive, I don't want to use that. So I'm giving here as my D drive. So D drive size I'm increasing here as just try to give guys 20 to 26 or 25. Try to give it that. Then just create. Okay. So now the virtual machine is got created here. Okay, the virtual machine is got created now. So what we can do the next process. So the next one of the most important setting guys for like most of the laptop, your mouse is going to lag. Your mouse is going to like stock there in your terminals. So most of case, I saw that. Okay, so if you want to remove that kind of problems, just click on your settings and come to the system and choose your pointing device to USB tablet because not in all the laptops part or all the desktop part, but few machines part, the pointing device should be USB tablet. If you are not enabling this, then it will be you will face the your mouse will be lagged stock in your terminal itself. So be careful at that point. Okay. So after this, in the ID secondary device, IDE secondary device, we need to put what? The ISO image. So where you will get the ISO image? So simply just go to the Chrome again. See guys, you can take a Red Hat ISO image if you have, you can take that or else go for CentOS. Okay, CentOS is a very useful one. So try to go and install that. It will be good at all. CentOS. CentOS ISO image. Just search only this. Okay, just a minute. So simply what I did, I just click on it. Let me do refresh. Yeah. See, directly you will get the what download options here. Or else if you want to go to here the website and you want to search. Okay, let me click on it. The first one. Directly it will take you to the CentOS one. So CentOS stream 8 is end of the build in the May 31st. Okay. So try to download CentOS stream 1. This one. So 9 is there, na? Right? So 9 version you need to select here. So after selecting this, okay, so you have to come down and you need to download this. Just click on the x86 underscore 64 bits. 64. Once you click on it, see the download is going to start. This is what that ISO image you are going to get here. So I'm already having that. So I'm not going for the download part. Let me cancel it. Okay, so if you want to download, guys, just click on the this options. Automatically the ISO image will be download there, and you can take. Let me close this one. Okay, so I clicked on it. Then I'm going for the chooser disk file. So I'm already having the Red Hat RHEL base OS 9 ISO image. So instead of that, I'm going to take the CentOS one. Okay, see guys, I'm getting here. I told I'm already downloaded. I already have that. So CentOS Stream 9, and I just click on the open. Now it got selected here. So after this, what you can do, guys, just simply click on a start. Okay, so you need to click on the start. Let me see it once again. Everything the setting part is correct or not. Yeah. So ID part, the ISO image is got attached. Then let me start it. So once we are going to start, it will take a few minutes to start. Just wait for it. See guys, if you are facing any issue, just ping me on the comment box. Okay. So we'll try to reach you. Okay. So in this case, what we can do, guys, you have to select the first options. Install CentOS Stream 9. So after selecting that, just hit enter. And see guys, no. Now I'm getting in a very small screen. The thing I'm getting in a very small screen. So how I can get it, like I can increase the fonts, the view, page view. If you want to increase, just click on it and just choose here as scaled mode. Full screen you can do, but this all the settings part will comes down here. Okay, so just it's better to go for the scale mode. Okay, and just click on the increase, maximize the screen size here. So this is what the way we are increasing the size. It will take guys a few minutes. Let's wait and see. Okay, so here you need to choose the language. So I'm going to choose here as English and United States, or you can take the English as well, India English. Okay, so which language you know, you can take that one. Then do continue. It will take some time, just wait. So by default, it's taken the time zone as Asia Kolkata. If you want to change it, guys, so simply click on that options, and you need to take your mouse cursor, then just click here. So see, by default, it got taken the Asia Kolkata. Then after this, see, if you want to install only the CLI mode, you will go for the minimal installation. So I want to use I'm going to use both of that. Like I want to use server with GUI. So you will get their CLI interface also, and you will get the GUI also. Both you are going to manage here: graphical interface and CLI interface. Server with GUI, or else you can go for server itself. Okay, so anything you want, you can go for it. So I'm choosing here a server with GUI. Then installation destinations, this is what the storage part you are going to select. So just double click on that, then it will be select. So after this, just go to the network part. So here, if you want to give a host name, like your machine name you are going to give, you can give it here. So I'm giving as workstation station. So this is what the I given the fully qualified domain name here. Okay, so any name you can give it. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, now the machine name is got applied. Just click on the done options, then come down and select the root password here. You know, guys, by default, we are having a user called root, and that password you are going to set here, Red Hat. So I'm giving very simplest password, which is our Red Hat. Okay, or else you can give you as your name or anything. You can double time, just click on a done. Okay, then come down, okay, down. Okay, so here I should, let's do begin installations. So now you can see the installations has been done. So after this, what we can do, just reboot your system. It will take a few seconds. Let's wait for it. See, the rebooting part has got started. Let's wait for it. So after that part, we are having our steps. So we need to complete that step once. Once the step has completed, then you will get the interface there. So that's why it is taking some time, guys. Just hello. Yes. So in this case, what we are doing, see, we got the interface now. We need to click on the start off. Just do a next and just keep it here. So after this, you need to specify the name here. So some name I'm giving as student. Okay, the username, simply username, and just do next. So it will ask for the password. The password is very simple. Try to give it as student itself, or else you can take your name, guys. You can take as your name, student. So then just click on the next. Okay, then start using the centers. So now the installation part has got completed here, so you can carry on with your installations part. Let's wait for it because we'll get the information here. Okay, so we have to wait for it. See guys, so we got the interface here. So now the installation part has done. So you need to click on the activities here, then the thing will be appear here. Just click on the no thanks, I don't want to tour. So click on terminal, you will get the terminal here. Once you got the terminal, so here you can find the, like, there will be a root user, sorry, directly it's taking me to the normal users. So like whatever the command you want to run, you can run here. So for the very first command I want to run